What brought me to the ChefD region? I actually grew up here, have been here for the last 14 years. Started making my first loaf of bread when I was 10 years old, and that's how it started. Our pizza from our ChefD pizza company here at Deer Ridge, which we formed in December. We realized that in the neighborhood there was no real pizza joint, so came up with the idea. We got a 3-deck pizza oven, and the neighborhood has really supported us throughout this time. It's fantastic. I've been a long time going to the Kitchener Market, probably about 30 plus years, every day, just kind of going there and picking up some really cool things from the local farmers and getting to know them. We have some amazing farmers here. There's so many great local places that we can get ingredients from. That's why I love this region.